Alright y'all, so today we are going to do a tire flip, full gear, firefighter gear with SCBA on and mask. This is a really great form of cardio, high intensity. You're gonna build strength, power, and you're gonna burn a lot of calories, alright? One thing, guys, if you're new to doing something like this, I would say start off with a smaller tire. This tire right here is probably about 300, maybe 350 at the most. So I wouldn't jump straight into lifting this big tire. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gear on. If you wanna be a firefighter, guys, you gotta do firefighter shit, all right? So let's go ahead and get into it. Just so you guys know, our firefighter turnout gear with the SCBA adds an additional 50 to 60 pounds to your body weight. So I think it's very important if you're a full-time firefighter, or if you're a firefighter in general, to occasionally get in your gear, work out in your gear, train in your gear so you can get familiar with having the extra weight. My current weight right now is 185, so with all the stuff I'm gonna put on another 50 pounds, and if you're not used to having that extra weight, you will tax yourself out quick. And that's how injuries happen, all right? So get familiar with your gear and equipment. We're not gonna go on air because I don't want to drain the cylinder out, but we are going full mask.
That's how you train like a firefighter.